To take a closer look at turn signal function, let's step inside a 3 Series sedan. Your turn signals are controlled by the left stalk on the steering wheel. There are 3 different ways to indicate a desired lane change or your intent to turn. First, lightly press the lever to the resistance point and hold it there for as long as you want the turn signal to flash. Additionally, your car may be equipped with the triple turn signal function. When utilized, this feature will flash the turn signal 3 times when pressing the turn signal indicator to the resistance point. This function can be activated or deactivated via iDrive. The third option is to press up or down on the stalk past the point of resistance. When doing so, the corresponding turn signal will continually flash until you either complete your turn or deactivate the blinker.